Find the highest common factor of P is equal to 2 to the 6 times 3 to the 4. Q is equal to 24,000. And R is 1.2 times 10 to the 7. Give your final answer in standard form. Okay, so basically you've got to put all these in their prime factors. So that one's already in it. So that's 2 to the 6 times 3 to the 4. They're already prime factors. Q is 24,000. So I'm going to split that up, first of all, into 240 times 100. And then 240 is 12 times 20. 100 is 4 times 25. 12 is 3 times 4. 20 is 4 times 5. Times 4 times 5 squared is 25. So that becomes 3 times 2 squared. 2 squared times 5. And then 2 squared times... so 5 squared, 5 times 2 squared times 5 squared. Okay, carrying on, we're going to have, that's going to be 2 to the 6, because we've got 2 squared, 2 squared, 2 squared, that's 2 to the 6, times 3 times 5 cubed. At this stage, maybe you should just check back to make sure you get 24,000. Now, R is in standard form, 1.2. We need to make that a whole number, so if we make it 12, it becomes 12 times 10 to the 6. If you move the decimal point one place this way, you need to take 1 away from the number here. Right, 12 is 3 times 4, and 10 to the 6 is 100 times 100 times 100. So this becomes 3 times 2 squared. 100 is 4 times 5 times 4 times 5 squared. 4 times 5 squared. 4 times 5 squared from up here. We've already done it once before. And then the 4s will become 2 squared times 5, 2 squared times 5, and 2 squared times 5. And then we've got 2 to the 8 times 3 times 5 to the 6. Again, at this stage, when you calculate, make sure you get back. Now, writing those out, so we've got P is 2 to the 6 times 3 to the 4. Q is 2 to the 6 times 3 times 3 to 5 to the cubed. And R is 2 to the 8 times 3 times 5 to the 6. You want the highest common factor. What you're trying to find with the highest common factor is the highest number, which will divide exactly into these three numbers. So we can see here we've got 2 to the 6, 2 to the 6, and then 2 to the 6 will also go into this number. So HCF will be, start with 2 to the 6. We've got 3 to the 4, 3, and 3. So the only thing that's common is 3. So times 3. And here we got 5 to the 3, 5 to the 6, but we've got nothing here, so there's no 5s in it. So the highest common factor will be 2 to the 6 times 3, which is 192. We'll have to put that in standard form, so that will be 1.92 times 10 to the 2, i.e. with the decimal point 1, 2, and then you get 1.92 times 10 to the 2. So remember, this number here has to be a number between 1 and 10, not including 10. This has to be 10, and this has to be a power of 10, positive or negative. Okay, so this has been a video to show you to find the highest common factor of some larger numbers using a bit of standard form and prime factors. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.